Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can set up for the first time and pair with the application the robot vacuum Deebot T30 Pro. So in the first step, try to turn it on and check that you have the battery in your robot. If not, just charge it by the dock station. Okay, my LED is blinking, so it's okay. Now we need to open the Google Play Store and look for the ECOVACS Home application. Then tap on the install it and open.
Thanks for choosing the ECOVACS robot. Please scan the QR code for details.
Now tap on the scan to connect on the in the application and open the top cover. Then scan the QR code on the right side. Now we need to turn on the robot. Then open the cover once again and tap on the reset button for 1 second.
Bluetooth hotspot has been released.
Okay, check the mark and click on the next. Allow a permission. As you can see, now it's connected, so we can select the Wi-Fi network, select your home network and enter the password. Then tap on the next.
Network setup in progress. Please wait. Network connection successful.
And as you can see, now we are connected to the Wi-Fi network and add the name to your robot and click on continue. Now, after the update of the application, we are ready to start the mapping of the home. That's it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.